Alright, are you guys ready? 皆さん準備はよろしいですか？ Here we go! 太郎コレクション基本日本語 Nouns for you! はい。ということで、最初の、単語は、あで始まる単語ですね。いきましょう。赤。赤。Just focus on the first hiragana. Do not worry about other hiragana, okay? 他のひらがなは気にしないでください。今は。Alright, let's practice a. So a has 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think this font is not that natural for handwriting. It's gonna be more like this. So this is a. Aki. Repeat after me. Aki. Asa. Asa. Asa plus ご飯。朝ごはん。朝ごはん。朝ごはん食べた？朝ごはん食べた？明日。明日。あさって。あさって。This is つ。Right now we are seeing this つ smaller than other hiragana. So the sound is going to be あさって as opposed to あさつて. There is no word like あさつて, but あさって。赤ちゃん。赤ちゃん。Again, this hiragana is や. This や is smaller than other hiragana. Instead of 赤ちゃん、赤ちゃん。青。青。雨。雨。Like this. 雨。雨。誰かが飴をあげたら嬉しいですよね。If someone gives you candy, you're happy, right? 飴 飴 飴 I want you to remember this. The reason why I do this is the next word is 飴 I heard someone just said, what the F? Yes, you did. I don't care. It's okay. 飴 I'm like sad, right? 飴 Rain. Personally, I don't like rainy day. 雨 So, 雨 雨 How's it sound? Good? Good.